Thank you very much for coming here. We are very happy to welcome you to this V Utsav. V stands for Women Entrepreneurs. It is a celebration of the spirit of the women entrepreneurs. Looking to their immense contribution on the state's economy and the national economy, EDII has been working with women entrepreneurs in different states of the country. And every year, out of all those people we train, women constitute the majority. Last year we trained about 200,000 plus entrepreneurs overall, and more than men, the women were there in the participation. And here also we have been working with VACT, Women Entrepreneurship, Access, Connect and Transform. That's a separate entity established by EDII with support from Accenture. And there are about 24,000. Close to 25 you can say, 24,000 women SHG members and women entrepreneurs from different parts of the country, and we are providing different kind of support to them, prototype development, market development, helping them mobilizing funding support, in marketing also, in packaging, in product development, and we have found that this is very important for realizing their entrepreneurial dreams. So we are very happy, and this event is a celebration of VACT as a V Utsav. So lots of women entrepreneurs are here from different states. I invite you to visit the demonstration center and also the exhibition that we have put up, so that you can understand the importance of these. These are very unique products, very key products. If you look at, for example, this Assam, the way they are producing from bamboo, the small parts, and it's a very value addition and immense contribution in the economy that they are doing. So thank you so much for always encouraging EDII, always encouraging VACT, and for the cause of women entrepreneurs. So we are here. Dr. Gujral is the head of our Southern Regional Office. He is the director of EDII. He also looks after the CSR department, working with various about 25 corporates, and very innovative products and projects that he has launched. And Mr. Samuel is heading VACT here on behalf of EDI and Accenture.
How many people participated?
Total about 25,000 are there. This is a small number. Total, I think the total participation is
500.
About 500 plus
Today. But out of 25,000, they are from Bhuj, Gujarat to
Uttarakhand, Assam,
Bihar, Pondicherry, all states. But they cannot come to here, but they have sent their products and they are demonstrating. And this Habba is basically national integration and vocal for local. So there is no product which is made by big companies and all that. This all products are made by small and micro women entrepreneurs, but purchased by rich people.
How many visitors are there?
Today it is till 6 p.m. We are expecting, but we have invited around 1,000 women who will come to buy the products. It is by invitation only.
Is there any marketing support being provided by your organization, sir?
Yes. So VACT is there. We scale them. They start making the product. Then people don't buy their product because the quality is not good. Then we give them the quality standards. Then their packaging is not good. Then we help them packaging support. Then sometimes they get funding support. Then we help them in credit. And that is why after 18 months they become self-sustainable. So this is the model. Not only training, but hand-holding them for 2 years, 3 years, 4 years.
Are you planning to expand this?